Now, Trukai Sports caught up with the high-performance head coach, Tim McCaskill, who gave us an update into upcoming T20 matches that will be held here in Amini Park.
Yeah, no, we're preparing, really excited about the upcoming Morocco Motos Isuzu T20 Smash. That'll take place here from the 19th to the 29th. We've got exciting cricket coming over the next 10 days and really looking forward to it.
Now, we also caught up with the CLS coach, Jason Killer, who gave us an update and insight into the preparations for the CLS.
22 girls. Try to string it down to 16 girls. The tourism has been so far so good. Girls are there.
Now, more of cricket actions continue here in Amini Park in 10 days' time. Joel Mipari, Trukai Sports.